morning, students. Kailash Panda, English Pranta Pramukh welcomes you to the third part of the topic, the beggar. In the second part, we have discussed taking a letter from Sergei. The beggar went away to his friend in search of a new white class job. Now come to the third unit of the topic. 2 years went by. Then one evening, as Sergei was standing at the ticket window of a theatre paying for his seat, he noticed a little man beside him with a coat, color of curly fur, and he had on a silk skin cap. This little individual timidly asked the ticket seller for a seat in the gallery and paid for it in the copper coin. There is only one new word, that is timidly, which means in a shy voice, in a nervous way. After 2 years, Sergei met a man at the theatre while buying a ticket. Losov was standing beside him. He was well dressed. He wore a coat. The color was made of fur and wore a cap made of silk skin. He was shy. And he paid for the ticket in coins made of copper. Sergei was astonished. He cried out, "Losov, is that you? How are you? What are you doing? How is everything with you?" Sergei became very happy looking Losov in well dressed. Losov said, "All right, I am a notary. Now I am paid 35 rubles a month." You know that notary is a person authorized to perform certain legal formalities. Generally, they do all types of affidavits. Thanks heaven. That's fine. I am delighted for your sake. I am very, very glad, Losov. You see, you are my godson. In a sense, I gave you a push along the right path. You know, do you remember that what a roasting I gave you that day? I nearly had you sinking into the ground at my feet. Thank you, old man, for not forgetting my words. In this paragraph, students, we will see a word that is godson. That means a boy or a man whom one promises to bring up. Roasting means here scolding, also giving hard works. Sergei was glad to and thanked God for reforming the beggar. He said that he considered Losov to be his godson because it was due to his scolding that he was changed man. He came to the right path of life. He gave up drinking and worked very hard. The beggar and Losov was also thankful to Sergei. He was not a beggar now. He is a notary. Thank you too, said Losov. If I had not come to you then, I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student to this day. Yes, by flying to your protection, I dragged myself out of a pit. I am very glad indeed. Losov thanked Sergei because due to him, he came to the right path of life and he was now well settled. Thank you for your kind words and deeds. I am very grateful to you and to your cook. God bless that good and noble woman. You spoke finely then, and I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. But strictly speaking, it was your cook Olga who saved me. He thanked Sergei for his kindness. He was grateful to the cook also. Sergei was astonished how Olga saved your life and reformed you. How is that? Then Sergei told everything. When I used to come to your house to chop wood, she used to begin. Oh, you thought, you oh miserable creature, there is nothing for you but ruin. And then she would sit down opposite to me and grow sad, look into my face and weep. Oh, you unlucky man, there is no pleasure for you in this world, and there will be no one in the world to come you drunkard, you will burn in the hell. Oh, you unhappy one. And so in this way he will carry on. In that strain, I cannot tell you how much misery she suffered, how many tears she shed for my sake. But the chief thing was that she used to chop all the woods for me. Do you know, sir, that I did not chop a single stick of wood for you? She did all. Why this saved me? Why I changed? Why I stopped drinking at the sight of that woman? I cannot explain. I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in my heart. She set me right, and I shall never forget it. However, this is time to go now. There goes the bell. Losov told all these things. The bell rang. He told all the scolding voice of Olga to him, and when the theater's bell rang, he bowed Sergei. He showed his respect to him and departed to the gallery. In this way, now we come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. Next time we will see our third chapter. Thank you all.